Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. The Note series of Infinix is known for offering large displays, impressive battery life and providing a balance between performance and affordability. Today we are going to talk about Infinix Note 30 Pro, which is launched on May 22, 2023. In this video we will talk about the specifications, price and features of Infinix Note 30 Pro in detail. Let's start this video. First we open the box. You will get transparent case, SIM card tool, and fast charger of 68 watt, and within this USB Type-C cable is also given. It looks premium with triple rear camera setup. Now we talk about the most important element, which is design. Then it comes with very attractive and glossy design. On its right side power button and volume rocker can be seen. On its left side dual SIM tray is given. At the bottom microphone, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers is given. On the top dual speakers and branding of JBL can also be seen, which gives you a cinema quality audio experience. And side-mounted fingerprint sensor is given. On the back of phone, there is a bumpy camera module is given in the top in a square shape. An LED flash can also be seen here. And at the bottom branding of Infinix is also given. Its back panel shows different colors when you move the smartphone and it looks awesome. If we talk about the price of Infinix Note 30 Pro, then its expected price is $250, 300 Canadian dollars, 230 euros, 20,000 Indian rupees, 80,000 Pakistani rupees and 30,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about display of Infinix then. It comes with immersive AMOLED display of 6.78 inch. It supports 1 billion colors which provide sharp details, and excellent viewing experience for different multimedia. And the higher refresh rate of 120 Hz is given. And peak brightness of 900 nits is given. And its screen resolution is 1080 by 2460 pixels. And 388 ppi density is seen. If we talk about the operating system of Infinix Note 30 Pro then. The smartphone runs on Android 13 and the layer of XOS 13 is used, in which the user will get many customized apps. If we talk about its chipset power then. The MediaTek Helio G99 6nm chipset is used in. The 6nm fabrication process enables the chipset to deliver enhanced processing power while reduced power consumption, which is crucial for optimizing battery life. It is a powerful and energy-efficient chipset which provides impressive performance for heavy games like PUBG, Free Fire and Fortnite, etc. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which 2 CPUs of 2.2 GHz and 6 CPUs of 2.0 GHz can be seen, which is enough for multitasking. And Mali G57MC2 GPU support is given. If we talk about battery department then. It comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And wired charger of 68 watt is given, which charge your phone from 0 to 80% only in 30 minutes. And wireless charger of 15 watt is also given. If we talk about cameras of Infinix Note 30 Pro then. It has main sensor of 108 megapixels with a wide aperture of f1.9. And within this PDAF feature is given which provide high quality graphics for photography. And second one is depth sensor of 2 megapixels with f2.4 aperture is given. And you can record video of 1080 pixels at FPS from main sensor. And it has 16 megapixels front camera for selfies and video calls. In terms of memory, it comes with dynamic RAM of 8GB LPDDR5X. And you can expand RAM up to 16 GB. It has two variants. First variant 8GB plus 128GB and second variant 8GB plus 256GB. If we talk about the body dimensions of Infinix Note 30 Pro then, its height is 168.5 mm, 76.5 mm width and thickness is 8.5 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 88.2%. And its weight is 205 grams. If we talk about the body material, then glass protection is given on the front. It comes with glass back. And its frame is made of plastic. It comes IP53 rating. It means it prevents dust particles and light splashes of water, such as raindrops from entering the device and affecting its internal components, but it may not be completely dustproof. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 4G, 4th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. These phones are available in Magic Black, variable gold colors. So guys, Infinix Note 30 Pro is a combination of affordability, large displays, strong battery life, and decent performance. And what is your opinion about this phone? And which feature you like most? Please tell us in the comment section. To see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that the latest updates can reach you. Goodbye and take care.